Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Barber Masterclass. In this video, you will find the most crispiest haircut transformation for natural hair. If you're a black guy and you're looking for some latest haircut idea for you and you are just exploring some latest haircut ideas, I think this haircut inspiration. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Barber Master Guys. If you're exploring some latest haircut transformation for natural hair, and I think this compilation gonna give you some latest haircut ideas. So don't skip this video. Watch this video to enjoy it. If you're a black guy and you are looking for some new haircut idea, just stick this video. Watch this video till then. You will find some latest ideas right here. In this video because we have gathered bunch of natural haircut transformation that will give you some new idea, and this is gonna be a most beautiful haircut transformation video. Wow, this is gonna be a most craziest haircut and flawless haircut transformation compilation, and all of famous haircut like taper fade, mid fade, the most popular, the shape of line, the 360 wave, the afro, the dreadlocks, and lots of other famous haircut among the black guys are included in this video. And all of these haircut inspired by the most skilled barber around the world. And these haircuts are not usually that the barber done. This is gonna be a most unusual and craziest transformation. Wow, that was the most crispiest haircut transformation of the day. Basically, the black guys have a wide range of haircut option to choose, and just depending on their personal style and hair texture. And the most preferable thing is maintenance. And here we got most popular black man haircut transformation. Wow. If you are really loving to watch that type of haircut transformation and you want to get a haircut from this barber, I will mention all of this barber right in this video in my description box. Yes, if you are luckily located near this barber, you can visit, and I think you have to book your appointment before visiting the barber shop because these barbers are just busy barber. They are extraordinary. They are not ordinary barber, and they got appointment on a daily basis, and they are really really busy because they got talent, and just people travel lots of miles to get haircut from this barber. Guys, if you are still watching this video, that means you are love to watch that type of transformation. Yes, you are. You have to subscribe this channel because we have uploaded millions of haircut on our channel, and just click on the random video, you will find most beautiful transformation on every compilation video. So just click the bell icon to get update for every new upload, and keep supporting us, keep loving us, keep watching us. Wow, look at this one. Look at this one. This ever gonna be a most beautiful and sharpest and cleanest haircut transformation of the day. I just love it. I just love it. Guys, don't forget to follow us on our Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and Pinterest. We have given all our social media links in our description box, and just visit and follow up. Wow, that was the most beautiful and flawless circle transformation. Yeah, that was crispy circle transformation. Anyways, guys, this is gonna be a last haircut transformation of the day. I hope you had enjoyed all of this crispy haircut transformation. Thank you so much for watching videos. Don't forget to subscribe, turn the post notification to get update for every upcoming upload.